Easy rewards, 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 easy rewards.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen. Amma ba'd. Fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Habiballah. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Nabiyallah. Wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Nurallah. It's mentioned that the best of creation, the most beautiful creation, the most fragrant creation, the most perfect creation. I'm talking about none other than the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. And what has he mentioned? He stated, and let's listen very carefully, dear viewers on Madani Channel, because is this our state? The one who forgot to recite salat upon me, he has forgotten the way to Jannah. Astaghfirullah. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Welcome yet again, dear viewers of Madani Channel. Just like every other episode, you have come to this silsila called the Easy Rewards. Called Easy Rewards. Ye asan nekiya, ye bhi neki hai. This is also a good deed, and this is what this means, that we do things in our everyday lives on a daily basis, and we don't even realize that is this good or is this bad or is this a formality? Is this something that I do anyway, and can I get reward for this? Is this a sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam? Why, if it's a sunnah, it's a way of life. Like I say, Islam is a way of life, and the way of life is the sunnah. Why am I being deprived of this? We should ask ourselves. And then, can it be that we are doing our daily activities anyway? If I just make some intentions, my reward will be increased in any other month. Why? Because I'm making more intentions for my daily activity. But in Ramadan it's increased even more. Then on a Friday in Ramadan it's increased even more. But do we have that mindset, dear viewers on Madani Channel, that in our daily activities, every single thing we're doing, for example, eating, drinking, picking up the kids, dropping them off, going to the masjid, reading Tarawih, anything that we do, are we doing this out of badness? Meaning, we have an evil intention, a sinful heart, we are, having, that pride in our heart. We want people to see us and say, Vava, Subhanallah. Or is this a formality? We know it's a good thing, but we've forgotten, to make the good intentions. We're doing this anyway. We're just doing for the sake of it. Or do we know that it's a good thing as well? But we used to make a good intentions, but time has gone and we have been deprived of making our good intentions. Why? Because again, we might be doing something wrong. So this is what this silsila talks about. In Ramadan, this is the hikmat. Why are we doing this in Ramadan? Why is the beautiful channel of Madani Channel, constantly coming out with ways to benefit the ummah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Why in Ramadan? Because our daily activities, we know, ye bhi neki hai, ye bhi neki hai. We might not know, but now that we know, not only we're doing this and we're getting rewards, but we're getting an abundance of rewards because it's in Ramadan. Everything is times by many, subhanallah. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, just like every single episode, I mention a topic, and we try to take that topic and go into the nitty-gritty, and we try to talk about that topic in depth. And today's topic is the intentions for somebody walking, ascending and descending the stairs. Now, before I start coming into the intentions, and before I, like every other episode, mention, in certain topics there could be an evil thought, and in certain topics there's just a formality, or in certain topics there's no bad or formality, there's just good, there's just only good to gain, but we just forgotten to make those good intentions. Therefore, it becomes a formality. But before I mention this, I want to talk about a small waqia, a small narration about two brothers. One is good and one is bad. One is trying to strive in the path of Allah Azza wa Jal, and one is trying to strive in the fulfillment of his desires. And we look at this narration, and the summary is this: that one day, the brother who was very, very, very good and pious, he thought to himself that, I do good every single day. I always try to act upon my farz, my wajibats, my sunnah, whatever I can do, I try to do good. Why don't, I go to my brother, because he always does something bad and he gets away with it. And shaitan's giving him this waswasa. Remember, we can't be forced to do anything by shaitan. He whispers something. He doesn't make us do something. He whispers something to us, and then he steps back and washes his hands. So I didn't make him do this. I just whispered it to him. This will happen on the Day of Judgment, viewers of Madani Channel. There's just a small Madani pool for me and you to remember. That look, shaitan doesn't force us. Just like this person. He's given him this whispering, this waswasa, this evil intention, that my brother does everything wrong. He gets away with it. Nothing's ever happened to him. And I do everything good anyway. I should go and ask him to do something wrong. I want to do something wrong today. I feel like fulfilling my nafs. So then, this brother, he decided to go up the stairs. While at the very same time, he was thinking those things and then decided to go up the stairs. His brother upstairs, who was, known for everything bad, he's there thinking that, I've done a lot of bad things in my life. When am I going to change? I've done everything wrong in the book. And my brother, look at my brother. He does everything good. He's the same as me. He's living in the world the same as me. He's same age as me. He's a youngster like me. But he don't do nothing wrong. He chooses to do the right things. So why am I doing something wrong and he chooses to do something good? I should go to him and I should ask him, have some shafqat upon me. Shafqat, I would say, is have some blessing upon me, do some karam upon me, help me. I want to do something good today. I'm tired of, doing things wrong. So then he decided to come downstairs. Now, while the brother is coming downstairs and while this brother is going upstairs, they both died. They both passed away. Now they've passed away. They're in the blessed court, the majestic court of Allah Azza wa Jal. Now, the brother who was always indulged in good, all of his deeds, because of the way he was thinking, have gone to that brother who was always indulged in bad. And the brother who was always doing bad, always used to do bad, he was known for the bad. Whatever bad he did had went to the brother who was always doing good. Why? Dear viewers of Madani Channel, there's a lot of things we learn here. But the biggest thing that we learn here is our intentions. And every episode, every topic, I try to mention the intentions that we should have. Now, why did I mention this waqia? One, this narration. One, it's got to do fully with the intentions. But two, it's to do with walking, ascending and descending the stairs. Now, this is a such a normal activity that we really don't care about it no more. This is the truth. It's just a normal thing. It's not even something that we think of bad. It's come to that stage where we don't think or have any bad intentions. At the same time, we don't have any good intentions. It's just a formality. I need to go upstairs, I'm going upstairs. I need to go downstairs, I need to eat, I'm going down the stairs. That's it. It's just a normal thing. But this narration, why have I mentioned this? Is because even on the stairs you are taking, before you even get to the stairs, what if you are taking those last steps? Those last steps are going towards the stairs, going downstairs, or going towards the stairs, going upstairs. So there's two things in this I want to mention. One is your intentions before you even go up and down the stairs. This can be changed. We can make our intentions. And two, we should always remember that it's around any corner our death can lie. Any corner. Before death catches you, make your good intentions. Before death reaches you, because it will one day, make your intentions. And before you go to Allah Azza wa Jal, turn to Allah Azza wa Jal. This is the best way of looking at it. And if we go into now our topic, our intention, the first intention mentioned in the Risala of Amiri al-Sunnah, what intentions can you make when you ascend or descend or walk up and down the stairs? Not just the stairs, any place, like a lift or an escalator, anywhere. It's mentioned that wherever possible, I will walk. Wherever, meaning if it's in a shopping mall, if it's in an escalator, or if it's in a lift, or even in your own house, up and down the stairs, or in somebody else's house. What intentions could you make? When you are walking, it's mentioned, I will keep my gaze lowered. Subhanallah. In Dawat Islami, we call this Kufl Medina. A guard, a Madani lock on what? On your eyes. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, the very first intention I've mentioned is that one should keep his gaze lowered. And why? It's one of the 7 organs. We should protect ourselves. I will avoid looking at anything haram. This is one of the things that we can do. This is called, in Dawat Islami, a Kufl Medina, a lock of Medina. And look how many amazing benefits there are just in this one action. What? Looking down. But another beautiful intention that me and you can make is that when I see a masjid, Allahu Akbar, when I see the house of Allah Azza wa Jal, I will recite Salat upon Nabi. And when I enter a market, I will recite the dua of entering a market. May Allah Azza wa Jal give us the tawfiq to act upon what has been said. And let's make intention that I will keep watching Madani Channel, keep reciting peace and blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, loads of other things that we can gain and benefit from just by watching Madani Channel. But let's make this intention that I will keep doing good, and inshallah Azza wa Jal, in my daily activities, I will learn that ye bhi neki hai. This is also a good deed, and not just a good deed, this is also an easy reward, asan nekiya. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.
Easy.